Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to build a WordPress website with Bluehost. I'm now inside my Bluehost account, and to create your WordPress website, go to Websites, then click on this Add Site button, select Install WordPress, and hit Continue. Give your WordPress site a title, for example, WordPress blog. Click on Continue. Fill in your domain name if you have it. In my case, I will go with use a temporary domain. Click on Continue. As you can see, my WordPress is installing now. My WordPress is still installing and it will be ready in a second. This is my new WordPress blog. Let's visit it first. The coming soon page is enabled by default. Let's disable this feature. To do so, click on Edit Site. Now click on Exit to WordPress and hit Exit. Now the status of my site is live. Let's refresh this page. And this is how to build a WordPress website on Bluehost.